Hi friends, welcome to the Mr. Error YouTube channel. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to register your phone number in WhatsApp on iOS, Android, and web desktop. Android, register your phone number. Steps: download WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Open WhatsApp. Tap Agree and Continue. Choose your country from the list, for example, India. Enter your mobile number. Tap Next to confirm. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. WhatsApp will auto-detect it, or you can enter it manually. If verified, you're registered. Proceed to set your name and profile photo. iOS, iPhone, register your phone number. Steps: download WhatsApp from the App Store. Open WhatsApp. Tap Agree and Continue. Select your country code. Enter your phone number. Tap Done or Next. You'll receive an SMS code, or you can receive a call. Enter the 6-digit code to verify. Set your name, optionally add a profile picture, and you're done. Note: if you're restoring from iCloud or Google Drive, WhatsApp may ask you to restore your backup after verifying the number. WhatsApp Web Desktop. Link instead of register. You cannot register a number directly on WhatsApp Web or Desktop. You must first register on your phone, Android or iPhone. Once registered on mobile, you can now link your account to web. Steps: go to https://web.whatsapp.com or open the desktop app. On your phone, open WhatsApp. Tap 3 dots, Android, or Settings, iPhone, Linked Devices. Tap Link a Device. Scan the QR code on your computer screen. Your chats will now appear on WhatsApp Web or Desktop. Troubleshooting or notes. Use a valid SIM-enabled phone number, not a VoIP or landline. One number equals one account. Can't use the same number on 2 phones at once, but you can link to web or desktop. If SMS doesn't arrive, try the Call Me option. For more interesting video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.